Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to record your screen on an iPhone. So let's jump right into it. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center. Tap and hold on any empty area until you see the options to customize controls. Then tap on Add a control. Once it opens, you will see all the quick tools you can add. Find the screen recording option. Then tap it to add in the control center. Here you will see a screen recording icon, a solid white dot inside a circle. Then tap it, and after a 3 seconds countdown, your screen recording will start. If you want to record your voice or background sound, then again open the control center. Long press the screen recording option. Tap the microphone icon at the bottom. It should turn red, meaning it's on. Then tap start recording. Now your iPhone will record both your screen and your voice. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorial and iPhone tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.